Good morning, students. In class 7 we were discussing active passive, and in previous topic I taught you imperative. So in the cases of imperative you have seen affirmative, negative, command, request and proverbs. Finally, so we will start exercises K today on page number 108. Rewrite these sentences instead of using somebody or they. Write a passive sentences. So they have built a new hospital near the airport. Object is basically a new hospital and has के साथ been का use करना है and third form will be built the that was proper formation of passive voice. So we have to use a new hospital has been built. A new hospital has been built near the airport. Second, they are building a new ring round the city. So, a new ring road इज़मार के साथ इज़मार रहेगा is being built. Is being built round the city. Third, when we go to the stadium we found that they had cancelled the game. So when we go to the stadium we found that the game had been cancelled. I didn't realize that somebody was recording our conversation. Obviously, I didn't realize that our conversation was being recorded. Fifth, somebody is using the computer at the moment. Okay, the computer is being used at the moment. The computer is being used at the moment. Six, they have postponed the concert. Obviously, the concert has been postponed. Somebody has cleaned the room. The room has been cleaned. Because हमें somebody का यूज नहीं करना तो हम यहाँ तक लिखेंगे the room has been cleaned. The room has been cleaned. Fine. Exercise L. Complete the table. Now you have to convert passive to active, active into passive. Just like active formation में we are cooking dinner. Dinner is being cooked by us. Dinner is being cooked by us. You have to keep remember the rule also. Okay. So passive voice is the plants are watered by them. Them will convert into they. ASMR will convert as ASMR. That means they are the water are watered. The plants are watered by them every evening. That means they are watering the plants. They water the plants every evening. They water the plants every evening. ये हमारा थर्ड वन है. फोर्थ, we will buy the vegetable for lunch. So the vegetable will be bought for lunch. Fifth, the fence was painted by us for grandmother. We painted the fence for grandfather. We painted the fence for grandfather. Six, grandfather was digging the flower beds. The flower beds were being digged by grandfather. 7, this orchard has been planted by grandfather. So the basically grandfather has planted this orchard. We will have finished this task by dinner time. This task will have been finished by us by dinner time. By us by dinner time. Fine. You are requested to shut the door. Obviously, please shut the door. Please shut the door. And will you fill the jug? Will the jug be filled by you? Will the jug be filled by you? Exercise M. Complete the following paragraph using the passive forms of verb given in brackets. Rohit was quite young. He dash. अब he के साथ was given correct होगा because it is related to past. तो was given. He was given a responsible job in the company. Dash. He expected. Is expected, was expected. Obviously was expected. Because we are using past formation, was verb plus third form will be considered. C. To increase the revenue by introducing new plans. But he failed to satisfy his employees who thought that no plans of his could be implemented. Past of can will be could be implemented. At last he was fired. He was fired. He was very sad. He wrote to me, dear Rakesh, I am compelled, was compelled, obviously was compelled. I was compelled and wrongly charged. And wrongly charged with inefficiency. Fine. So basically that was your exercise M, and in upcoming lecture we will continue and finish the topic active passive. Thank you so much.